And in the ablative, Panchami Vibhakti, the singular form is Pakkina, Pakkimha, Pakkisma, Pakki, and the plural is Pakkihi, Pakkihi, Pakkibi, Pakkihi. And again, the genitive case, or the Chatti Vibhakti, the sixth case, again, which is exactly same as the dative case, or the fourth case, which is Pakkino, Pakkina, Pakkisa, Pakkinam. And locative case, singular form, Pakkini, Pakkimhi, Pakkisming, Pakkisu. And these are some words that that belongs to this category of masculine ending in E, as Hathi, elephant, Sami, Lord, Kutti, leper, Tati, tusker, Bogi, serpent, Papakari, evildoer, Digajivi, possessor of a long life, Sethi, millionaire, and Bagi, sharer, Sukhi, receiver of comfort or happy, Manti, minister, and Sikhi is peacock, Pāḷi, a powerful person, Sasi, moon, Chatti, possessor of an umbrella, Mali, one who has a garland, Sarathi, charioteer, and Gani, one who has a following, one who has a retinue. So these are similar, the words that are in the same category as the Pakhi, which is masculine words ending in E, and so they should also be conjugated, be declined similarly as the this form, or this formula, which is according to this. So anyone would like to try to decline a word ending in E, masculine word ending in E? Nobody?
Okay.
Yeah, try.
Let me try, Ajahn.
Sure.
I choose Hathi.
Hathi.
Yes.
Yeah, elephant.
Hathi. Hathino. Hathi Kang. Hatin. Hathino. Hatina. Hatipi. Hatihi. Hatino. Hatisa. Hatinang. Hatina. Hatimha. Hatisma. Hatipi. Hatihi. Hatini. Hatimhi.
No, you have to decline the genitive case, even it's in this table, it's combined into two, but when you actually doing it, you have to do genitive before locative.
Okay, I will do again, describe again.
Yeah.
Okay, nominative, Hati, Hatino. Accusative, Hatinang, Hatin, Hatino. Instrumental, Hatina, Hatipi, Hatihi. Dative, Hatino, Hatisa, Hatinang. Ablative, Hatina, Hatimha, Hatisma, Hatipi, Hatihi. Tentative, Hatino, Hatisa, Hatinang. Locative, Hatini, Hatimhi, heart is mean, heart tissue, and
Good.
vocative hearty, heartino.
Okay, good.
Okay, Acha.
But in this accusative case, even though it is written here with a M and a dot below that, as I told earlier, that you have to pronounce it as NG, right? Pakinang, Paking, not Pakim, because in Pāli we call it Niggahita. Niggahita is similar to the sound that we make when we write NG, like long, like that sound. Therefore, in accusative, when you see this mark, this letter with M with this dot below that, remember, keep in mind that it's not it's but it's similar to NG. Other than that, you have done quite well. Anybody else would like to attempt to decline? UN Fa, would you like?
Ajahn?
Yeah.
Okay, I try.
Uh-huh.
I try. I choose Sami.
Sami, okay.
Please, can you bring the slide down a bit?
Sure.
Okay. Sami, vocative. Sami. Plural. Samino. Samino. Plural. Then Samim. Saminam. Okay.
Yeah.
And then
remember Saminang.
Saminam. Nang.
Yeah, like
Nang.
NG.
Saminang. And then Samino. Samina. And then Samihi. Samino. Saminam. Samina. Samihi. And locative is Samini and Samisu. My pronunciation is not good.
And you have skipped some words, some patterns, right? Okay. Sami, the first is Sami, plural Sami, Samino. Saminang, Saming, Sami, Samino. Instrumental Samina, Samihi, Samibi. Dative Samino, Samisa, Saminang. Ablative Samina, Samimha, Samisma, Samihi, Samibi. Genitive Samino, Samisa, Saminang. Locative Samini, Samimhi, Samisming, Samisu. Yeah.
Ajahn, when do you choose one word over another? I skipped some words because I thought one is enough. When do you choose
like
one? When do you choose one? Or or you must use all the three.
When you memorize, you have to remember. You have to memorize all the patterns or all the words, all the ways that are declined because one, when you are using, what it matters is sometimes the way of speaking, like spoken language or the written language. When you are writing a poem, right, like in a poetic manner, these things matters because the meters of writing that one has to be long, short in the certain places. That is one thing that why we can use these words alternatively or in a suitable place. And also for the sake of easier, I mean, the way when you speak, especially Pāli is a spoken language. Primarily there was actually no written letters of Pāli language. That is why even today in Sri Lanka they write Sinhalese letters to write the Pāli language. In Thailand they use Thai letters to write Pāli language because there is no written language, a written alphabet in Pāli for Pāli language. Not like in Sanskrit they have this Devanagari, but in Pāli there is no written language. As Pāli is a spoken language, when you speak, they use each words with the kind of easier to go to the another letter, like Pakino, and after Pakino, if the word start with the A, it is easier to combine these two and speak fluently, but more quickly or more easily. So that's why they use. That is another reason they use how they decide to use which word to be used in which sentence. So therefore, and if we are now major, what we do mostly with Pāli language is we read Pāli suttas, we read Pāli text, we use the main implication of learning Pāli language nowadays is to read the Pāli text and to understand what has been written in those suttas, in those commentaries, in those texts. Therefore, when we look at a word, we have to already have the knowledge about the way of declension. Otherwise, we will not understand what it's meant by this particular word. If you only remember Pakino, if they write Pakissa there, you will not know what does that really mean. That is why we have to learn. We have to memorize and to learn all the ways of declension.
Thank you, Ajahn.
Yeah.
Now I understand. It depends on the sound and sound and how they join together. So it can be Pakino or Pakisa depending on how it's joined together. The words.
Yeah,
thank you.
Where it is used in the sentence.
So we have to memorize. Okay, thank you.
Yeah. So anybody else would like to?
Me?
Yeah. Go ahead.
Supapon.
Yeah. Supapon. Okay.
Thai Kuti.
Yeah, Kuti, leper.
Yeah. Kuti. Kutino. Kutinong. Kutinang. Kutim. Kuti. Kutino. Kutina. Kutihi. Kutihi. Kutino. Kutisa. Kutinang. Kutina. Kutiha. Kutima. Kutibi. Kutihi. Kutini. Kutihi.
You have to go to genitive. Even though this table, dative and genitive are combined, after ablative there comes the genitive. Which is similar. No, it's exactly the same as the dative. Therefore, you have to keep in mind that.
I cannot remember the case. Yeah. I can say the first or second, not like that.
Yeah, you can.
Okay.
So after fifth, you have to go to sixth, which is same as the fourth.
Locative, like that.
Before locative, there is genitive, the sixth. Yeah.
Genitive. Yeah. Genitive. The fourth. Kuti. Kutisa. Kutinang. And the fifth. Kutina. Kutiha. Kutima. Kutihi. Kutihi. And locative.
Kutibi.
Yeah, sorry.
Kutibi.
Kutibi. Kutihi.
Yeah.
And locative. Kutini. Kutihi. Kutimi. Kutisa. Kutisu. Right?
No. You skip the genitive case. After ablative, you have to there comes the genitive case, which is exactly as the dative case. Because after you, let me do it for you then. Kuti. First nominative, kuti, kuti, kutino. Accusative, kutinang, kuting, kuti, kutino. Instrumental, kutina, kutihi, kutibi. Dative, kutino, kutisa, kutinang. Ablative, kutina, kutimha, kutisma, kutibi, kutihi. And genitive, then comes genitive after ablative, which is kutino, kutisa, kutinang. Then comes the seventh or the locative, kutini, kutimhi, kutisming, kutisu.
Kutini, kutimhi, kutimi, kutisu.
Kutisu, yeah. And remember, when you see this, how to say this slash, yeah. Give me some time. Forgot to plug in the notebook. So where was I? Yeah, see this pakhi. This e is a long e. Therefore, you have to stress more and stress longer that e. Kuti, kuti, kutino. The kutino is a normal I, normal e. You don't have to stress or say it longer. And also this A in the instrumental, this A with this slash, we have to say pakina, it's not it's So whenever you see this mark, diacritical mark, yeah, keep in mind that you have to stress it more and you have to say it longer because it's a long it's long which is a long e which is e, a long u which is u. That's something about Pāļi that you have to keep in mind when you read it. Otherwise, it's not accurate. Yeah.
Thank you.
Is there anyone else want to try? Seems like no. Okay, let's do some translations so that we can understand when and how these words are used in sentences. And as I told yesterday, the main duty of each word at each declension point are different, right? We saw that we talked that the first nominative, which stands as a subject mostly. In accusative, that is used as the object which is being done, which comes under the action, under the verb. So that's when we use this form, this form of accusative. And in instrumental, when we use this form of the word, when we want to denote or we want to use it in the sense of being used by, right? When you in the English language, when we use the then is when we use this form of the word in Pāļi language, right? By we do something using something or somebody, we go by something or somebody like that. We hit something by using some instrument or some weapon like that we saw yesterday. Then we use this instrumental case. And dative we use to refer to when that word is used in the sense of we give something to somebody, we do something for somebody. Give, when we in English language, when we use the terms to and for, that's the time when we use this case in Pāļi language. And ablative, when we say something have depart from something, something come from something or somebody, that is when we use ablative case. And when we want to say something belong to something, that in English we use apostrophe s or of, then we use genitive case. And locative we use when we want to say the location or the exact place, referring to a place where something is situated, something is placed. So that is the job, or that is the duty of each word form in each case. So where was that? Okay, let's see this one. Manti hathinang aruhisati. Can anyone translate that? Manti, what does that mean?
Minister?
Yeah, minister. Hathinang.
Elephant, right? Hathi.
Say that again.
Hathi is the hand, right?
No. Hathi, not hatha. Hatha hand. Hathi, not hand.
Elephant?
Elephant, yeah.
Yes, Hathi.
Hathi, elephant. Aruhisati means climb on. Climb on or get up on the elephant. So what is the meaning of this sentence? How can we translate this whole sentence?
Minister ride elephant or climb elephant?
Yeah, the minister climb on or
on elephant,
get on the elephant. Hathina. So Manti, which case, which number?
Nominative singular.
Nominative singular, yeah. And Hathinang, which case, which number?
Or maybe this is accusative, right?
Yeah, accusative, which number?
Maybe it should be singular.
Singular, okay. Aruhisati, present.
This is a T, it's like present tense, right?
Yeah, the Aruhisati. Aruhisati, future simple.
Future simple.
Will climb.
Oh, that we will climb, right?
Yeah. Let's see the second sentence. Mayang Setino Gehang Gamisama. Mayang means we. The Mayang means we. Maybe you haven't learned this yet. Therefore, I'm telling you now. Mayang means we. Seti no. What is the original form of this word?
Seti.
Seti. Yeah, what does that mean? Seti. Millionaire. Yeah. One who has a lot of money. A wealthy person. So, Setino. Yeah. Gehang. Anybody knows the meaning of this word?
So wheat?
No, Gehang means
Okay, I think Achan just might have some problem with his connection, so we'll text him so that he can join again.